Now you may know Bestop for their soft tops, their bikini tops, even their Sunriders. But do you know Bestop for their floor liners? Made from a durable thermoplastic elastomer, they're easy to install and an easy way to keep the inside of your Jeep clean. So let's install them in the 2021 Hella Yella giveaway Wrangler. So we're just gonna reach in, grab a hold of the back of the factory cloth mats and pull them out. The new Bestop floor liner is form fit for the JL and JT. They drop right down into place and use the factory locating pins. Snap them in and they're good to go. And that's all there is to installing a set of floor liners from Bestop. As you can see, it only takes a couple minutes to do, and well, that's the same as cleaning them. Only takes a couple minutes. When they're dirty, just pop them up, pull them out, shake them off, hose them off, and they're as good as new. Now, a couple things we like about these Bestop floor liners is that they form fit to your floor pan really nicely, which will help keep your carpet cleaner longer. They also have that cool raised aggressive tread pattern. Well, it looks great, but it helps channel and trap the dirt and debris from your off-road trips and from your day-to-day commute. So where can you get a set of these floor liners? Well, at Northridge4x4, of course. So check the description box down below to where you can find a link to the Bestop floor liners. You'll also find a link to where you can enter to win this 2021 Hella Yella giveaway Wrangler. Then hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and then hit that comment section. What are you running for floor mats? And until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.